In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checkout page in Squarespace. Now, the first thing to know is that Squarespace actually makes this process very simple. You don't have to build a checkout page from scratch or worry about the technical setup. As soon as you set up a store on your site, Squarespace automatically generates a secure, fully functional checkout page for you. What we're going to focus on today is how to find that page and then how to customize the way it looks so it matches the rest of your brand. Start by logging into your Squarespace account and opening the site where your store is located. Once you're in the site editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a main navigation panel. Here, click on the website section to expand it and then choose Pages. This is where all of your site's content lives, including a special section for system pages. Within the Pages panel, look again at the left side. You should see a category called System Pages. These are pages that Squarespace creates for you automatically, such as your 404 page, password page, and of course your checkout page. Click on System Pages to expand that list and then select Checkout. When you click Checkout, you'll be able to see the layout of your site's checkout page right in the main preview area. This is the actual page your customers will use when they're ready to pay, so it's important that it looks clean, trustworthy, and consistent with your branding. On the left side of the screen, you'll see styling options specifically for this checkout page. Here, you can change the background color to match your brand palette or keep it simple and neutral for a distraction-free experience. You can enable or disable the option to show your site logo, which can help reinforce your brand at the final step of the purchase. You'll also be able to edit the title, adjust the header color and header border color, and tweak the header alignment. For example, you might want your logo centered or aligned to the left, depending on your overall site design. You can also customize the button color so your call to action stands out clearly against the background. If you experiment with the styles and decide you don't like the changes, you can always scroll down and use the option to reset styles to their defaults. There's also an option to set everything to system fonts, which can help keep things consistent and loading quickly. And that's it. Your checkout page is already created for you. All you need to do is locate it, adjust the styling options to suit your brand, and your store's checkout experience is ready to go.